This part shows us the importance of support. Now over here the objective is to print this horse, and actually this whole part is a cell phone stand. So a cell phone actually can be placed over here. The legs of the horse support the cell phone. Now over here, whether it is the head, the tail, the body or the legs, they're all suspended in air and they require these supports over here to keep them afloat. If these supports are not there, then when you are trying to deposit the filament will simply sag over here and it will lead to the failure of the print. Now when you are giving the support, you need to make sure that the support is strong enough, otherwise during the print, because of forces exerted on the support can get dislodged from the bed and the whole part can be a failure. Now in this part, if you take out the support, then what you get is this. What you get is this particular part. So I had printed two of this, and for this part I had taken out the support from here and from here, and this is the part that you get. Now how you devise your parts is very important. For that, let us take a look at one dragon print. So this is a 3D print of a dragon. Now over here you may notice whether it is the head, the neck, the legs, or if you are looking at the tail or the wings of this particular dragon, you can see that all of them have been designed in such a manner that the edges make about 30 degrees or less angle with the vertical. None of them are horizontal. And if you can design a part like this, so this part has been printed without any support, and as you can see, an excellent quality print has been obtained.